How are you? Today I'll be talking about how to speak English without translation. Yeah, we do translate English in our daily life, and I'm gonna tell you how to stop that thing. So let's start with listening. So you have to listen English media as much as you can, because when you listen you get things in your head that you have to speak, so that will help you to speak English in your daily life. Yes, you can get lot of phrases, words and verses, like lot of things from them. And then comes uh, thinking. Yes, if you think a lot, then you, I mean, don't about think anything else, but you have to think in English. Whatever you think, you have to think in English, because thinking English is a way to improve your English, and that will not affect your grammar and anything. And then you have to speak. Yes, speak. I said that as much as you can listen, so it is like as much as you can speak in your daily life. Uh, Maybe many of you don't like to speak English because you are afraid, and that is the reason why can't you speak. So you have to stop doing that. I mean, not to be afraid. When you speak, you will improve. And uh, speaking, yes. How would you speak? So speak in your daily life. Whenever you go, say in your mind that what are you doing right now and what will you do after that. And after that, there are many other things that you have to do. Uh, I think you are confused, befogged, that how can we think in English. So there is a way to think in English. If you have to think in English, then you have to start with little phrases, words, and whatever you can speak. I mean, think, just think it. That is a way to improve your English. And speaking is like also like that. You have to speak, and you have, if you can't speak in public areas, then you have to think there. And where you can speak, then try to speak. And you can definitely speak English in your school, college, and any other educational place. So try to be communicative in English. And there are many other things that I have to tell you, but I'll tell you those things in next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you and guide you to right path of English speaking. Thank you.